A question that has long confounded humans: Uranus, Mars, Venus, another Goldilocks planet, possibly in another solar system. Is there life beyond Earth? Well, the answer to that may come within 20 years. Astronomers from the California base Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI, told members of a congressional science committee in the U.S. that in the next 2 decades, alien life will be discovered if sufficient funding is available. In America, NASA and many other organizations have been working on scanning the universe for evidence that life exists on other planets. So, do Chinese people believe in the existence of alien creatures? How do they react to the remarks given by the astronomers of SETI? Let's hit the streets of Beijing to look for some aliens and find some answers.
I don't
think that there are aliens in this universe. The government should make better use of national funds, such as for improving the quality of life for its people.
I don't believe in the existence of aliens at all. I guess people who do must have watched too many science fiction films. But I do admit that the boundaries of science are infinite. It is an area worth exploring, but more effort should be taken to help the poor.
I
think there are aliens on the planet, partly because I'm a big fan of the Korean TV series You Who Come From the Stars. I'm just kidding. Just like we're now living on Earth together with many other creatures, there must be living creatures on the other planet as well. We haven't seen them yet just because our technologies are not advanced enough. But I think China shouldn't devote too much to this before it becomes as developed as the US, since we have things that are more important to deal with.
I don't believe in aliens, despite the fact that some people claim they have seen UFOs and some scientists claim they will discover aliens. I will only believe in their existence when I see them with my own eyes.
I am on my way back to Mars.